up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What's up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. We're here at the Carlisle springtime event, largest classic car buy, sell, trade event of the year. We're going to take you through a bunch of classic cars for sale today. If you see anything you like, do me a favor, please pause, take down the number, give them a call. Also, if you want to see more classic cars, hit the subscribe button. We got new videos coming out every week. We'll see you. You're going to see a bunch of classic cars today, so stay tuned.
You changed their life around a little bit.
Yeah. But they tried to get them around.
60.
You see, it's so nice, and then they put those 4% battery terminals on
it. 61 Impala, frame off, 125,000. A nice truck over here, real solid looker. Wow, this is a real nice truck. Clean as a whistle. There's a number, 43.5.
So those lights, are they black?
41 Chevy Business Coupe. It's got an inline 6, 27.9. Beautiful looking lines on this. Alright guys, 69 Mustang. It's got 7,500 on it. It's got a 302 in it. Not a bad price on it, but you do have some body work that was done. You have some rot, a bunch of rot down there. It was a gold. They painted it. It had a vinyl top. And it is what it is for the price. Looks like it hasn't been started.
He was over here the last time.
717-897-4708. Another old truck, 94, 6,800. Extended cab, needs paint. It's got dings. It was probably used as a work truck. It says cold AC. 85 for 6,500. Looks sort of like a project. Then you got the 64 Valiant. Looks like 16.9 on it. Got a Mustang over here, 65. He's got 19.6 on it. It's got a 289. Now, I would say it's probably not a bad deal. However, I do notice that we have some body work that was done here. A little bit that was done here. It's not a terrible price. This is one that I've seen so far that kind of makes sense if you're looking for a Mustang like this. then moving on over here, we got a 70 C10 for $38,900. This truck stands tall. Same seller as the previous vehicle we looked at. Again, guys, if you see anything you like, please pause, get the number, and give them a call.
Straight down through. Take it right to Victory. Yeah, yeah. Right. To a 27 on it.
This was metallic blue. This was, yeah. Nice. With a lighter blue interior.
They remind me of the Batmobile.
Yeah.
Remember the old school one?
Yeah. Of course I do. I don't know the new ones.
Who was the guy at the ad? Christopher Reeves. Christopher Reeves.